Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to get the bubble glove in slap battles. To acquire this fantastic item, you will need to earn 2 distinct badges. This special glove comes with a power of 50 and a speed of 15, making it a formidable tool in your arsenal. Its exclusive capture ability allows you to trap opponents, giving you a significant advantage in battles. Let's dive into the steps to unlock this exciting glove. First, let's tackle the Harbinger of Death badge. You'll need to equip the Reaper glove, which can be purchased for 3,500 slaps. With this glove, your goal is to get 9 or 10 kills in one continuous life without being eliminated yourself. This can be quite challenging in public servers, so we highly recommend using a private server and coordinating with a friend to secure this badge more easily. Next up is the 250 badge, which requires even more dedication. For this, you must equip the Kill Streak glove, costing 5,000 slaps. Your objective is to achieve an impressive 250 kills in a single life. This is a monumental task, so having a friend assist you in a private server will significantly increase your chances of success. Patience and teamwork are key to earning this badge. Once you have both badges, the bubble glove is yours. Its primary ability, Capture, allows you to launch a bubble that traps any opponent it touches. This ability has a very short cooldown of only 5 seconds, meaning you can use it frequently. Players caught in the bubble are often carried away, making it simple to push them off the arena for quick eliminations. Master this ability to dominate your opponents.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.